Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you another method of my hair growth routine that I have used for the past 2 weeks, and the results have been so amazing. If you're struggling with hair breakage or a thinning hairline, this simple treatment could change your hair growth game. So stay there, stick there, and let's jump into it. I'm going to start off by taking a bowl where I will be mixing my ingredients, and then I'm going to take my cloves powder. These are cloves in powder form, which has also been so very important and helpful in my hair growth routine. I'm going to only need 1 spoon in my case, depending on the length of my hair. Maybe in your case your hair is long and maybe thick and massive, you can add a half spoon to it. After that, I'm going to add some warm water. Don't add boiling water or a very hot water. Just add warm water and mix them up properly. If you are there and you have been wanting to grow your hair thick and long very fast, I recommend you to use this method. Apply this maybe once or twice a week and let me know the results in the comment section. After that, I'm going to get my second ingredient, which is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to balance the pH of the scalp. It helps to cleanse all the buildup and create a healthy environment for the hair to grow stronger. Once I am done mixing, I put the mixture into a container whereby I will be able to apply it directly into my scalp and into my hair, and then I massage my scalp in about 5 minutes. Massaging the scalp is the key because it boosts blood circulation and helps those nutrients to get right into the hair follicles. I do this routine once a week and I've already seen less shedding, stronger roots, and a healthier hair. If you are ready to boost your hair growth naturally, definitely give this a try. Let me know in the comments if you have tried cloves or apple cider vinegar for your hair. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more natural hair growth tips.